game.
Yes. We have been playing jailbreak.
Yeah, we're playing.
But we haven't done a jailbreak video for ages, and we only done 2. So we're gonna do one, and we haven't done about the museum.
This is my
thing, like with the.
This is our Thunder Random Master. This is our third video.
Yeah.
Third jailbreak
for me,
video.
This is my first video doing no jailbreak on this.
Okay, so
guys, we are gonna do.
Yeah, I was trying to get a key, and then I accidentally get on the plane. Get on it.
No, don't.
Get me
that guy's arrested.
I don't care.
Fight him.
Rope.
No.
Go up. Yes, I'm up.
No.
I was trying to get a kid, so we got arrested. Okay, that's why I started off here. And I wasn't recording.
So guys, I'm just gonna go to the museum. Meet up in the museum.
We don't know where this plane's going. Well, helicopter. No.
But our challenge today is to.
I think we're going to. Yeah, we're going to the museum. I think. Yeah.
I'm just gonna pause the video
today
for now, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go for this. When we get to yeah, so
don't lose your recording. Will I jump up? Yes. Go. Oh god, that was a wait. It was a cop.
Hello, cop.
Wait, what? Oh my god. I have a car that I bought. I have a car that I bought. Okay, I bought that car. Okay. Do not do that. Do not get on helicopters with relation.
Where are you?
I am nothing. Suspicious.
Meet.
Go. Yay! I'm stuck. Okay. Go. Why am I jumping? Go. I just looking at that. Need to escape.
Oh my god, this guy arrested me.
Yeah, I got arrested. Do I trust the sewers? Do I trust the sewers?
Yes.
Yeah, I do. Okay, I really do trust the sewers. Why? There's no cop.
Run.
There doesn't seem to be any cops. Yeah, this is gonna be a long one. Okay.
Were you arrested when you're a criminal? Or did you just mistake them?
Oh god! Cop. E. Go. No. Help.
You might just want
Help
to
me.
pause the video if you want.
Help me. Why did I just... I fell. I'm dead. No, I got arrested. Why did you... Guys, I'm arrested.
Were you in the sewer? Is that where you got arrested?
No, there's just a guy outside.
Yeah,
wait, what? Why did I die?
I guess the only way to escape is the...
We need a key. Guys, I'll be back when... Guys, try escaping again. Why is this server so... I don't know.
hard?
Like, they've escaped because there was no police waiting outside. And why do these people
Why
have
isn't
so
the police
much
on the
money?
map?
What do you mean?
There's no police on the map.
Okay.
How did the police arrest people so fast? You literally can't escape.
What way should I go? Should I go that way?
I guess I'll have
Okay.
to walk.
Going the other way.
Guys, we
slowly exploding more.
So guys, we're back.
It's Christmas tomorrow. I just remembered. Well, I didn't forget. I just
literally, there's a guy literally just waiting outside for like all of us to get it.
Is there any?
So we like have to
I'm going this
walk.
way. Go through the exploding room and go the other way.
Oh my god, I don't like.
Slowly
There's so many people around, so many
slowly
walking.
slowly walking. Yeah, you're slowly walking. We're going to be here forever.
I don't want
I
to
don't
leave.
want
Or
to.
someone called reset. Remember the day.
Slowly walking, slowly walking,
Guys,
slowly walking.
I have to post video again because I'm probably going to get it.
Good for you.
No, get in.
Okay, guys, I don't know how long this is going to take. What's that? What is that flashing? What the? Okay, it's just that. Okay, we're almost there. I can get my cam.
Yeah.
Okay, we're so close to we can get that truck. Oh, we can't.
Oh my god.
Why is there just someone waiting there? Can we go and rob? Well, I did rob it earlier, like when I wasn't recording because I lost the recordings, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, I lost the recordings when I robbed this. Robin. Yeah, Robin.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So yeah.
Get in the car.
Yeah. Like, I'm just gonna keep up.
Okay, I'm gonna go and get a gun. Okay, there's a car. At the.
Oh my god.
Arrested.
So yeah, I got arrested.
Go. I'm scared there's gonna be a police that's gonna arrest me. Why is there so many prisoners there? Hey, police, you need to be at the jury. The whatever. I can't say that. Okay. Where did I spell? Go. Okay. Where are we going? Oh yeah, I'm going to guns.
Oh yes. So you're gonna be starting again.
I thought that was the car. What did I see?
Jay.
When did my rocket fuel get all the way to the top?
Sorry, I'm gonna say sorry too.
Okay, there was a cop. That's not a thing you should be laughing at. Don't laugh. It's not funny. Come on, we can. Okay. Get in the guns. Get the guns. No, wrong gun. Grab. No! Well, guys, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. We did not get anywhere near robbing the museum, but remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, the subscribe button has no feelings.
And we might do a part 2 trying to rob the museum.
So remember the subscribe button has no feelings, so just hit it, punch it, kick it, do whatever to that subscribe button because it really does not care. So,
Yeah.
bye!
Bye.
Guys.